Hi honeys, I'm Nikki and welcome to Destination Lifestyle, where I'm on a journey to an amazing lifestyle featuring influences of fashion and travel. And if that's your thing, your vibe, then keep watching. Guess what honeys, I forgot to show you honeys my Valentine's Day gift. Keep watching for the reveal. Okay honey, so first things first, outfit of the day. I'm just wearing my little business class PJs and I do have on a watch though, and my now new Anna Karen Carlson glasses. Alright honey, let's just jump right into it. I forgot to show you honeys my Valentine's Day gift. I was just in the house rambling around and I was like, oh my gosh, my gift. And it's like one of these items, like, you know, when you get older, your age determines like what kind of gifts you like. The older I get, like the more I like home decor and all that kind of stuff. But I was like saying, like doing all this cooking and stuff, I was like, I need some new pots and pans. Like, who wants pots and pans for Valentine's Day? But that's what I got. The thing about it is they are the most amazing pots and pans ever. I don't even really know if it's pots and pans. I just saw it, I got it really excited. But I'm gonna show you, take you back a minute to, this is Le Creuset. Le Creuset is one of the most coveted French brands in cooking because, you know, well, you may not know, but your girl thinks she's a chef. And by chef, I mean, she be throwing down on her little stovetop cooking. Like, I really want a gas stove, but you know, I'll get one eventually. But at any rate, this is something that I purchased for myself. This here, I want to show you honeys. And I love Le Creuset. Like, Le Creuset is like the epitome, like the top, the ultimate. It's like the Hermes of dinnerware, or just, you know, cookware, I would say. And this here is so cute. I want to show you guys this. My thing is I want to make French onion soup. And by making French onion soup, right, I think I only want to make French onion soup because I want to do it in this, to be totally honest with you. This is my little, look how cute this is, y'all. It has the Eiffel Tower on it. Let me see what the name of this is, because it's a sticker on the back of it. It is, that's what I thought, it's a coquette, it's in white. Now, who needs to be cooking in white dishes? It's sure not me. I've had this for a couple of years and I've not used it yet, only because I don't want to stain it. Now, like, who buys something that they don't want to stain? I don't know, like probably me. And I want to cook French onion soup, prepare French onion soup in that. And I'm going to show you one more piece that I got a couple of years ago, and it is this. This is huge. Let me show you. This is, oh, and it's so heavy, y'all. This is the Le Creuset. Which one is this? This is the, I don't know, I'll type the name up here on the screen. But this is also the Eiffel Tower. I got this later. This is so amazing. And this is just a sticker, this comes off, but of course the Le Creuset here is imprinted in the top. It's so heavy. And so, being your favorite rich auntie, my Valentine's gift was, I can't wait to show you honey, was, can you assist? The assistant is here today and he's assisting, and we're also dressed alike. We're dressed alike because I pulled out these pajamas for him to put on so we can be dressed alike. We're so corny, but it's so cute. Can you pass me, he's assisting. Someone said the assistant is starting to talk. I was like, yeah, we gotta cut that out because, you know. So this is what I got for Valentine's Day. He's so thoughtful. He usually gets really, really thoughtful gifts. Not just thoughtful, he gets what I like. And I like it. He gets me. So, well, did you get anything for Valentine's Day? No, he didn't get nothing for Valentine's Day. He didn't get anything for Valentine's Day. Okay, honeys, so this was actually a gift with purchase. I'm not even sure what this is. It looks like you can bake bread with it. Yeah, it says a square big dish. And this was a gift. It doesn't have the Eiffel Tower on it, but I love it because it's just so classic. But yeah, this was a gift with purchase with my gift that I'm receiving right now. And voila! Le Creuset 5-piece set. Like, honey, your girl is about to be in the kitchen throwing down. Can you come and get this off of me now? Yeah. Can you open it for me? Let's see what we have here. He knows I love like Le Creuset. There's actually a Le Creuset boutique in like in the countryside in France, and it's actually like very they have like some discounted prices. When I used to live in Paris, I had like Le Creuset there, and yeah, it's still there, child. That's a story for another day. We're gonna tell it when the assistant is not here. Oh gosh, but this is part of my Valentine's Day gift here. It's a white. This is my first time opening it. I saw the top of it, and I saw it was white, and I got all excited. And I was like, oh my gosh, let me show the honeys. And this is a pot. Y'all, this stuff is so heavy. It's like, how many pounds do you think this is? It's heavy. Like, it's really heavy. And honey, she's gonna make some good fancy ramen noodles in this. Like, look at that, y'all. It's so cute. Okay, and what's next? Hold that careful. All right, and number 2 is the Coquette Ronde signature. It's basically this, but in white. And okay, what's this last piece? Because this is a 5-piece set. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess I'm gonna open that one too. He's so proud of this gift, y'all. He's telling me to open it up. He think he got some good taste, y'all. But he ordered it offline. Like, it was so heavy. And from Le Creuset. And I'm going to definitely link this for you guys, because I want to link it because I want you guys to get the right one, because it comes with the free gift. So, oh my gosh, this is so big, y'all. Look at that. It's so heavy. And I know, like, I think people are either team Staub or team Le Creuset, and I'm definitely team Le Creuset, and that's that on that. Okay. And I'm gonna give this to my trusty assistant. Oh, he's so strong. He's so strong. Okay, honey. So the final piece to my new 5-piece set is actually really a 5, 6, 7-piece set, because I got the baking dish. So is this here. It's a non-stick skillet. And so just know, if the assistant plans on getting out of hand, this will be going right upside his head. All right, honeys. So yeah, all right, so that was my Valentine's Day gift. And like I said, like, the older I get, like, the more I like things like this. I mean, I want, like, you know, some clothes, some ready to wear, some Chanel and some Hermes and all that stuff too. But I also want dishes and all that kind of stuff. I want, like, you know, electric mini blinds and all that kind of crazy stuff. But yeah, all right, if you guys thought that this was a fabulous, what is that? If you honeys thought this was a fabulous Valentine's gift, go ahead on and give me a good like, and let me know in the comment section. And just so you know, that these dishes come in a variety of colors. It even comes in pink, but I think I opted out of the pink when I got the white with the little Eiffel Towers on them. And I was like, yeah, let me just get the white, because I don't know, I have a vision that I'm going for in my future kitchen. All right, honeys, thanks so much for watching today, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And what else? And comment. All right, honeys, see you honeys later. Bye.